podium here today. His teammate Danny Pedrosa leads them after lap 2.
Down the start and finish straight, here comes Casey Stoner side by side, over 200 miles an hour on the brakes. Casey Stoner takes the lead. Stoner leads the way from Danny Pedrosa.
From the races, Rossi lunged up the inside of Dovizioso at turn 11, he ran wide, and now we're going to see that Ducati horsepower down the back straight. Rossi momentarily up into second. Rossi tries to get side by side. Will Rossi be the bravest on the brakes down to the first corner?
Who is going to get in there third? Just Andre Iannone.
Now he's going to get blitzed, is he, by those two bullets. Ducatis, Iannone, look at that, effortless from the Ducati. Iannone leads the race, look at the gap the Ducati pulled on that Yamaha, incredible. The top speed of the Ducati is mind-blowing. He just knew he had to sit there, get close to Vinales, slipstream him. There's nothing that Vinales could do.
Look at that. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Second place, Vinales trying to fight back as they come back down towards San Donato, but the grunt of the Ducati is too much for the Yamaha.
Even a one-year-old Ducati can blitz past the current spec Repsol Honda. Take my breath away, Top Gun. What a ride by Maverick Vinales! Oh no, Mir's been absolutely mugged! He's lost second. Can you believe it? Zarco again on Alex Rins, and through he goes, and again all the work has got to be done again from Alex Rins. It must be so frustrating. Watch this. Look at that. That's not a slipstream. That is not a slipstream. Martin was about 10-15 metres back.
As they come onto the back straight, I would think Iannone will just about hold the advantage.
Touch Marquez and Lorenzo. Has the Ducati got the grunt? Dovizioso goes from third to first. Andrea Dovizioso down the hill on the braking zone for turn number 4. Dovizioso leads.
To make a little bit bit of a distance over everybody else at the front of the grid. It's Oliveira who leads then. Jorge Navarro, I think there, is up into second place. Roberto Bagnaia just managed to get away from all that trouble in turn one. There he is, I think third on the number 42 machine.
Führung für den Beginn-Leader. Start Nummer 44, Ducati hinter auf Platz 2 mit Jorge Navarro mit Ducati vom Racing-Team. Dort sieht der Pecco Bagnaia. Kurve 1, Ducati in Führung, der Konter von Marquez. Sehr gut gestartet, das war die Suzuki von Andrea Iannone.